Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to separate yourself from the pack when it comes to Instagram stories. So it's likely that you know already how to use GIFs and fun extra added things to your stories to increase engagement, to make them more visually appealing. But there are actually a lot of super unique GIFs that you can use that you just have to know how to search for them. I wish there was an easier way. By just searching checkmark, you're not really getting the most unique or most aesthetically pleasing GIFs. I'm not sure how they're ranked currently, but I'm gonna jump into my Instagram today and show you exactly how I find really cool, really unique illustrations and fun designs to put on my Instagram story. Let's jump in, shall we?